In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating glow effect in Photoshop. Let's get started by focusing on the element you want to make glow, whether it's a piece of text, a shape, or perhaps the main subject of your image. The key to a successful glow effect starts with working non-destructively. So here's how you can do just that. First, you'll want to make a duplicate of the chosen layer to ensure that your original work remains untouched. You can do this quickly by selecting the layer and pressing Ctrl or CMD and J on your keyboard. Now, with a duplicate layer ready, it's time to adjust its blending mode. Depending on the specific glow effect you're aiming for, you might choose Screen, Linear Dodge, Add, or Overlay. Each option offers a different level of luminosity, so feel free to explore them to decide which best suits your needs. Next, let's introduce some blur to soften the glow we're aiming to create. Head on up to the menu bar, select Filter, then Blur, and finally, Gaussian Blur. This is where you'll decide on the radius, which determines how soft your glow will appear. Keep in mind, the amount of blur needed can vary based on your image's resolution. Once you're pleased with the level of blur, it's crucial to adjust the opacity of your blurred layer. A subtle and natural glow is what we're aiming for, not something too overpowering. Gradually lower that opacity until it feels just right, blending effortlessly into your overall composition. For those who desire a more controlled effect, consider clipping or masking the glow layer. This technique ensures your glow only appears in the specific areas you want, without spilling over into unintended parts of your image. Simply use a layer mask or create a clipping mask to direct the glow precisely where you need it. If you're looking to add color to your glow, there are a couple of effective methods. You can add an adjustment layer, such as Hue Saturation, positioned right above your glow layer. This gives you the flexibility to tweak to your heart's content. Alternatively, adding a color fill layer can provide a vibrant touch. Choose Layer, then New Fill Layer, and opt for Solid Color. Change its blending mode to either Color or Overlay, clip it to your glow layer, and then reduce the opacity to achieve a balanced look. Finally, it's time for some fine-tuning. You may want to revisit your blur, adjust layer opacities, or even change the layering order to get that perfect glow. A great tip from Adobe suggests starting by darkening your background, as this contrast can make the glow much more pronounced and vibrant. And there you have it. How to create a soft, ethereal glow in your images using Photoshop. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.